In the beginning of the development of my Naming Ionic Compounds module, I started with the ADDIE model of instructional design. ADDIE stands for Analysis, Design, Development, Implementation, and Evaluation. Evaluation is placed in the middle of the diagram because I believe that it is a continual process in any developmental endeavor. When entering the analysis phase, I began with the design brief. This allowed me to consider the target audience, learning objectives, and expected outcome of the project. It was also extremely helpful in organizing the concepts, ideas, as well as preliminary brainstorming platform for media such as images, video, and audio. Next was the design phase. Along with the addition of images and other media, I had to determine the learning path for the students. To do this, I developed a flowchart. This helped me to understand the progression that the learner would experience throughout the module. I could look through ways to prevent confusion and to make the path easier for the student to follow. After this, we moved into the implementation phase. This is where we put the module through a test run with peers as well as those of the target audience. We were able to use the information gathered from this in order to critique and make improvements. During this phase, we also placed the module within a learning management system so that we could design around the module. This would allow to change or make adjustments for remediation as well as student enrichment. The final phase of the module was evaluation. In this phase, I used the intrinsic motivation inventory to determine student attitudes and motivation while completing the module. This information was then collected and used to make improvements to the current module as well as future endeavors.